Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone. Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. Welcome to the 2000 Core English Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is breakout. Breakout. Break out. Breakout has a couple different uses, but for today, let's talk about the one that means to have lots and lots of pimples appear on your skin because of a skin condition. So sometimes, especially when we're young, stress and changing bodies can create lots and lots of breakouts. Here's an example. I wash my face every day so I don't break out. I wash my face every day so I don't break out. I wash my face every day so I don't break out. Chin. 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 Chin is a body part. The chin is this part of your body, the part just below your lips. It's this edge of your face right here. Here's an example. He has food on his chin. He has food on his chin. He has food on his chin. Forehead. 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 Your forehead is this part of your face, this part of your body. Your forehead is the section of your face from about your eyebrows up until your hairline, this part right here. Here's an example. The newest thermometer can take a temperature in the ear or on the forehead. The newest thermometer can take a temperature in the ear or on the forehead. The newest thermometer can take a temperature in the ear or on the forehead. Blonde hair. Blonde hair. Blonde hair. Blonde hair is a type of hair color. Blonde hair usually looks yellow or maybe yellowish white. It can also be a kind of dirty blonde, which means that it's a little bit of a brownish white or yellow color. Here's an example. The woman has blonde hair. The woman has blonde hair. The woman has blonde hair. Black hair. Black hair. Black hair. Black hair refers to hair that is black in color. It's a very, very common hair color. Here's an example. The woman has black hair. The woman has black hair. The woman has black hair. Brown hair. Brown hair. Brown hair. Brown hair is another super common hair color. I have brown hair. Brown hair can be very light or very dark brown. Here's an example. She has brown hair and dimples. She has brown hair and dimples. She has brown hair and dimples. Red hair. Red hair. Red hair. Red hair is not such a common hair color compared to, say, black hair or brown hair, and red hair isn't usually bright red like a flower or an apple, but rather it's a little bit orange red. Here's an example. The woman has long red hair. The woman has long red hair. The woman has long red hair. Tooth. 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 A tooth is one of the things, the white things in your mouth that you use to eat with. So singular, it's tooth, one tooth. In the plural form, all of them, it is teeth. Here's an example. When your tooth hurts, it's important to go to the dentist. When your tooth hurts, it is important to go to the dentist. When your tooth hurts, it is important to go to the dentist. Wrinkle. 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 A wrinkle is something that happens in our skin as we get older. So the skin when we are very, very young is very, very smooth, but as we get older and we smile and laugh and cry and have experiences, we will start to see lines in our face. These are called wrinkles, and they're totally normal. Here's an example. The old woman has a lot of wrinkles. The old woman has a lot of wrinkles. The old woman has a lot of wrinkles. Eyebrow. 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 Your eyebrow is the part of your face that is above your eye and below your forehead. It's this line of hair that is above your eye. Be careful with pronunciation here. This is eyebrow. Sometimes I hear learners say eyebrow. This is incorrect. It's eyebrow. Here's an example. Women often pluck their eyebrow hairs. Women often pluck their eyebrow hairs. Women often pluck their eyebrow hairs. Let's review. I'm going to describe a word or phrase in English. See if you can remember it. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say the verb that means to suddenly have lots and lots of pimples on your face? Breakout. Breakout. And how to say this part of your body right here, below your mouth and at the edge of your face. Chin. Chin. What about the part of your body right here, above your eyebrows and below your hairline? Forehead. Forehead. Do you remember the expression for someone's hair that is a white or maybe yellowish color? Blonde hair. Blonde hair. Let's try the expression for someone with very, very dark hair. You could think of this as having no color. Black hair. Black hair. What about the expression that I could use to describe my hair color? Brown hair. Brown hair. Now, let's see if you remember how to say the expression that we use for the not so common hair color that looks a little bit orange colored. Red hair. Red hair. Another one. What about the word for the white thing in your mouth that you use to eat food with? Tooth. Tooth. Do you remember how to say the lines that appear on our face slowly as we get older? Wrinkle. Wrinkle. And finally, do you remember how to say the hairs that are above your eyes? Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Well done. See you next time. Bye.